What if I told you enslaved people once defeated the world's greatest empires and history tried to erase it? Before the world learned to speak of human rights, before freedom was written into constitutions, there was a place the world refused to see as human. It was called Saint-Domingue, the richest colony on Earth, where sugar sweetened European tables and coffee fueled empires. But beneath that wealth lived a truth too dangerous to name. An entire civilization was being crushed so others could prosper. They were told they were property. They were told they were inferior. They were told freedom was not meant for them. History believed that lie, until Haiti shattered it. In 1791, on the richest slave colony on Earth, the enslaved of Saint-Domingue did the unthinkable. They rose. That night, something ancient awakened. They did not pray to become masters. They did not pray for revenge. They prayed for dignity, and with that prayer, the most radical revolution in human history began. Plantations burned, chains fell, the world's greatest powers laughed. At first, how could the enslaved defeat empires? With no nation, no wealth, and no mercy, they defeated Spain, Britain, and Napoleon's France. Then came Toussaint Louverture, a man born in bondage, armed not only with courage but with intellect. He read philosophy by candlelight and mastered warfare on the battlefield. He defeated Spain. He defeated Britain. He forced France to abolish slavery, something no other enslaved people had ever done. For the first time, Europe faced a terrifying truth. Freedom had learned to fight back. Napoleon Bonaparte, ruler of half of Europe, sent his greatest army to restore slavery. Toussaint was captured and left to die in a frozen French prison. Napoleon believed the revolution was over. He was wrong. The torch passed to Jean-Jacques Dessalines, a man who understood a painful truth. A people cannot be free if their freedom depends on the mercy of their former masters. Advertiers, barefoot soldiers, many once whipped for learning to read, defeated Napoleon's forces. Cannons roared, and the unthinkable happened. The enslaved won. On January 1, 1804, Haiti declared independence and became the first Black Republic. The first nation born from a successful slave revolt. The first country to permanently abolish slavery. Haiti's victory terrified slave-owning nations. If black people could defeat empires, what would stop others from rising? So the world punished Haiti, not for failure, but for success. Isolation, embargoes, a crushing, independence debt, forced by France. Haiti was made to pay for daring to be free. The chains were gone, but the cost of freedom was designed to last generations. And yet, Haiti stood. The Haitian Revolution did something no war before or after has ever done. It proved that human worth does not come from permission. But here is the truth history tries to bury. Haiti didn't just free itself. It proved all oppressed people could be free. Haiti is often spoken of as a tragedy. But Haiti is not a failure of people. It is a success the world never forgave. The Haitian Revolution is not just history, it is a mirror. It asks the world a hard question. If freedom was possible for the enslaved in 1804, what excuse do we have today? Haiti did not just change itself. It redefined what it means to be human.